Tick tock, cue the fire. Are you ready for the Lehman Brothers moment? Well, I am, and so is the media, along with there's going to be tanks on the streets come October 1st. Boy, I wonder if they're expecting anything to possibly happen. And the buy now, pay later is turning into I can't pay later defaults. So we got subprime problems, and we also have a stock market problem. Actually, it was a big problem yesterday, right? They had their Inflation Reduction Act party. Joey B was up there with the microphone, and they're like, sir, you got to cancel this. He's like, cancel what? Where am I right now? But we also have the largest that you've ever seen. I know, the largest you've ever seen, that I've ever seen. Put options. That means everyone thinks the market is going to crash. And this coming in from Sentiment Trader. I don't think I said the word right. Sometimes there's a chart that just blows your hair back. That would be everything. In 22 years of doing this, none stand out like this one. Last week, you guys, these are the big players. This is the smart, they call them the smart money. Institutional traders bought $8.1 billion worth of put options. They bought less than $1 billion in calls. So they, by looking at this chart right there, I'm going to have to move over because I can't blow my hair that far back. Look at that. Never in the history of mankind, everyone is on one side. Which they got it right. Ooh, you subscribed. Thank you. Which they got it right yesterday, right? Especially when Biden's like, oh, wait, where are we going? The ice cream? We got the highest inflation since 1979. This is like, and you guys are partying. Okay, great. I'm sure your act will work. But I will tell you what won't work is when you have everyone piled on one side of the teeter-totter, you are going to have a short squeeze like you've never seen before. You get ready for one of the biggest bear market rallies you've ever seen in your life. Just in case the last squeeze didn't pull enough idiots back into the market, this next one might even pull me into it. But what do you guys want first? Tanks hitting the streets, or we're all gonna die? But here we go with Goldman's Apple Card business has a surprising subprime problem. Remember those subprime problems back in the day that threw us into one of the greatest of all recessions? Try that word again, recession. I knew I could do it. Let me just simply explain this whole article. You take out your wallet on and you don't pay your bill. Also, congratulations to Apple for making their notch bigger. You originally have, I guess you call it a pill. That's what they're calling it. You got like that. So it was like yay big, and now they've we'll just make it like an application to kind of hide it. Why don't you be just like Android? Oh, I trade on this and put the camera underneath the screen, and when you're like, that thing's too big, well then just close it. It's not so big now. And how is that Apple short position I took out at 172? Almost there. I just want to close that thing and never talk about it again. Kind of like Bitcoin. When are you guys going to break? It just jumps up and down on that drywall. I'm just waiting. You're going to go down there. You're going to hit my price target. I pinky promise. Look at this. You guys want to see this price target? Sorry. Link in the description if you'd like to learn how to trade. Oh, CSU is my advanced one that has crypto in it. See this area right here? It's going to go, click, and it's going to go right down there to about 12,000. Also, I have to raise my price on all my courses again. Sorry, they're too low. So take advantage of them, but start with swing trading. And if you want to know why Bitcoin is going all the way down there, how much buy zone do you see? Do you see lots of people buying in that area? That region? No, neither do I. That's why it's going to cut through like butter or like water. Actually, this one really surprised me. See this? That should have been a zone, right? Where people are buying and selling. Nope. Man, it was like a couple days. Bye-bye. Bitcoin just loves those 40K, 30K, 20K, 10K. I don't know what's worse, if I'm holding Bitcoin, watching it go from 20 to 10, or, shopping in the streets, and all of a sudden you see tanks rolling by. I don't know, but it's probably the same. From October 1st, so get ready, 2 weeks to slow this thing. October 1st, German streets will be patrolled by the military to what? prevent riots. Oh, we're having riots? I mean, that's a good time for governments to pass a lot of laws and gain control of its people during the riots. So just set your clock on that one. Germany weighs nationalizing. That is the N word. Now, when you take over all the energy, ooh, you don't want to do that, Germany. Well, you're going to let them do that. Uniper to avert what? Oh, we can't have this Lehman-like contagion. Here we go, Lehman-like. It's like the brothers as energy crisis worsens. They go from Germany weighing in, nationalizing energy. You got to do it, right? It's for your best interest. Because you don't want a Lehman-style collapse from something that they just created. And I wonder if Germany could have saw this one coming. Or should I say, I wonder if Germany could have created this one coming. And also, let me just help you with things. Nationalization. The more government, this breaking news, a railroad shutdown is unacceptable. White House says, okay. I guess they're going to fix that one. Oh my gosh. It's like one thing after another. U.S. rail strike risks inflation boost at worst possible time. You know what they need to do? They need to call in that Pete Gagger, or whatever his name is, to help fix these problems. Please, government. I mean, he's actually thinking this whole California thing's interesting. California gas car ban. Yes, that's interesting. EV adoption must happen quickly to beat climate change. Can I say that? I can say that word a lot. Probably if I use that word a whole lot, I could probably blow up this channel. Change says, but gagger. I think I got to be careful on what I say because it looks like he's in the news. Michigan GOP co-chairs calls but gagger a weak little girl. And he's not a weak little girl. That looks like a strong man that probably can carry lots of strong men on his back. I wonder how many men I could carry on my back. Probably not, maybe 2. That would be it. Not that strong. Break my back. CNN, this is also, just in case I didn't want to miss that story, CNN cuts away from Biden inflation. I'm sure his son could carry men on his back too. Inflation reduction party as stocks plunge. So that's what happened. Hey, I also heard they found other stuff on that is, how do I say this? The desktop of Sun, right? Yeah, it's not looking good. And actually, if the FBI caught you with that kind of stuff on your desktop, right, you'd probably go to jail forever. You know me, I'm not a political kind of guy, but that's some like protection. It's like cement, steel on top of more steel and Kevlar and more cement. Man, one bank surveys the epic carnage. It hasn't happened yet, but the faster we crash, the sooner the Fed can pivot. And I say, let's get this road on the show. Let's get this little red line all the way down. There's 20%. I want to go right there. That's the target. The last 19 bear markets. I haven't put in my notes because I'm kind of stupid. 289 days, average 37%. Just in case you want to know how to measure this, you come over here. It's about 5 down. You click, let's see, price range. There it is. You can do it by date too. You want to know 37%. We're going to measure from the top all the way down here. And bada bing, bingo, there is your 37%. So let's get this show on the road. Also, let's beat its head on that yellow line. Let's not get above that so the shorts can have their day. The bears will come out. Jim Cramer will be drugged down the streets where he has to yell, shame, shame. No, Jimmy, we love you. Everyone loves Jim Cramer. Actually, Jimmy, what are we doing today, buddy? Today is go all in. We're buying. Bear market's over. Actually, I think he was calling bear market over in December when we were at an all-time high. Guys, take advantage of using your mouse. Right-click short or right-click sell, okay? Take advantage of that. So you want to make money going up. You want to make money going down. You guys are missing. What are you missing? I'm looking at the charts. What are you guys missed out on 21% already? So hurry up and take advantage of, do the swing trading, learn it. And then you jump over to the CSU and then you can do all those cool things. And if you're concerned, you're like, but you're going to raise the price. Just do the 197, 3 payments. You get all my courses. But remember, no financial advice, paper trading. That's all we do on this channel. But thank you guys for the love. Oh, the likes and the love. I love you too. And if I could like you back I do like you back. Like in the comment section, when I look at all of your comments and I heart you, I say, hey. So thank you guys for everything you do, and I will see you tomorrow.